Put Dr. Pepper in it, Bill.
No, I'm just saying.
It's like, you close the door, both doors get down.
Let me smell that.
Oh, that smells like a bad salad.
Three of the kids
That's what it tasted like.
instantly puked everywhere.
Oh, man. Good luck.
I think that you have the worst end of that deal.
Sisters were.
You didn't think that through.
What her age was, didn't know where she went to school.
I had all hurts, dude. I thought it was gold.
Do it.
That'll break your heart.
Go. There it is. Oh, no. Please, Mom.
Got there, Durango real quick.
Oh, that's good. Oh, look at that.
Get all that, and I let her fall asleep. 20 minutes later, the ambulance finally got there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my, it's nothing.
So what was in that? There's definitely hot sauce.
Hot sauce, ranch.
Yep.
Except for I think maybe it was blue cheese, ranch and
Oh, it was blue cheese.
and
You're the
teriyaki.
devil.
And teriyaki sauce.
The teriyaki
I was looking for blue cheese.
was not doing well with you guys right now.
And
It's a teriyaki.
as soon as I went to the ambulance,
That was dumb.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't want to say anything because